Here we have lesson 3.9, the special solutions. These are the practice packet problems. So this starts on page 15 in your practice packet. We're going to come back to this slide here a couple times because I just put the top of the page here. We're solving each equation and then we're going to write the problem number in the appropriate columns here for this one. So we'll come back to this every time. Keep in mind we can have one solution, no solution, or infinite solutions. So we're going to get started in number 1. I'm going to subtract p on both sides. And I'm going to be left with -4 equals -9, which is an untrue statement. So this is a no solution. So I'm going to go back to the first part here. Under no solution, I have problem number 1. In problem number 2, which is below here, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 4m from both sides because they're equal. And I get -4. Over here, 4m minus 4m is 0. That is also an untrue statement, so this one is also a no solution scenario. So we're going to put in this box number 2. For number 3, which is over here, going down on your column, we're going to go ahead and subtract. We have 8x, 7x. I'm going to subtract the 7x, and we get x minus 2 is equal to -9. So we're going to add 2 to both sides, and we get x is equal to a -7 here. So this one is actually a one solution. So we're going to go back here in the one solution column, call that number 3. For question number 4 then, I'm going to go ahead and distribute my -4. So I get -4 plus 24a is equal to 24a minus 22. Did you notice the a's are the same? So if I subtract them away, we're going to get a -22, cancel out, equals -4. They are not equal to each other, so number 4 is also a no solution problem. At the top of the next column, we're at number 5 then. So we're going to go ahead and distribute our 2. So I get 8x minus 6 minus 8 is equal to 4 plus 2x. Still need to combine my like terms here, so I get 8x minus 14 is equal to 4 plus 2x. Move my smaller of the two variables. 6x minus 14 is equal to 4. Adding 14 to both sides. 6x is equal to 18. Divide through by 6, and we get x equals 3. So this is a one solution problem. So number 5 is a one solution problem. Question number 6, looks like I have some distributive property here. So I have 15x minus 6 minus 6x. 3 times 3x is 9x, and 3 times a -2 is a -6. Combining my like terms, I get 9x minus 6. And over here, I also have 9x minus 6. Since these are equal to each other, it's a true statement. This is the one that we call infinite solutions. So we're going to go back to that chart at the top. And for infinite solutions, we're going to add number 6. Finishing up here, we have 7 and 8 to do. So for number 7, I'm going to leave this on the left side. On the right side, combining my like terms. Notice the 3 y's on both sides, so I'm going to subtract them, which will cancel them out. So I'm left with -5 equals -9, which is untrue. So this is a no solution situation. So for number 7, that'll go under no solution. And the final one, question number 8, 2y plus 4 will stay on the left side. Multiply on the right side, and I also get 2y plus 4 because these are equal to each other. Even if I canceled out those 2 y's, I am going to have infinite solutions. So for question number 8, that is an infinite solution situation. So after solving all of these are your final stats, and that wraps it up for this practice packet page.